This is about thyroid and antithyroid drugs. As per our syllabus, we have some five drugs coming under this category. So that we shall see. In the absence of thyroid hormones, we get the diseases like this hypothyroidism, and that leads to goiter, myxedema, and cretinism. So if the thyroid secretion, thyroid hormone secretion, thyroxine secretion is more, then we get the hyperthyroidism, and that leads to nervousness, insomnia, high heart rate, eye disease, and anxiety. So the first thyroid drugs or otherwise thyroid hormone is T3 and T4. So usually T4 is available as the drug, but not the T3. So the T3 structure is this one, whereas T4 structure is this one. The 4 stands for 4-iodine, and it is tetraiodo L-thyronine, L-thyronine, 3, 5, 3-5-. Tetraiodo L-thyronine, and we have this amino acid. Okay, and it is extracted from thyroid gland. T3 and T4 was extracted from thyroid gland. So the dosing is 300 microgram. It prevents goiter and also reduces hormone imbalances. The goiter produced due to hormone imbalance, radiation treatment, surgery, or cancer. T3 is this one, leothyronine, and it is a synthetic form T3, and it is having a rapid onset of action and loss of activity. T3 is given, or otherwise it is T4 is given. So T3 is 353-triiodo L-thyronine, mainly from the deiodination of L-thyroxine within the body. L-thyroxine within the body. So T4 and T3 play metabolism regulation, growth, and development, influence carbohydrate metabolism, protein synthesis, their breakdown, cardiovascular, renal, and brain function. All these important functions are due to T4 and T3. So T3 can be synthesized inside the body. T4 is supplied to the body, and then later it gets converted to T3. If you want immediate action, then a rapid onset of action, then we have to give T3. Now the antithyroid drugs to treat hyperthyroidism and thyrotoxicosis. Okay, there are two categories, imidazole and amides. Both of them are sulfur containing compounds. So we have to study methyl thiouracil and propyl thiouracil. Methyl thiouracil and propyl thiouracil. So the R position is having CS3, this one, CS3, CH2, CH2. So uracil is actually pyrimidine with sulfur and ketone. So it is called uracil. This is the uracil structure with thiouracil. Otherwise, it is OH, or sorry, double bond O, and it is H in this case. So it is uracil means double bond O, H. Thiouracil means one of the oxygen is sulfur. For methyl thiouracil, it is methyl group here, and for propyl thiouracil, it is propyl here. So what is they inhibit the 5-DI, the peripheral deiodination. There is propyl thiouracil inhibit the enzyme 5-deiodination enzyme, which converts T4 thyroxine to thyronine. So that thyronine is active in the, so that is inhibited, and therefore leads to less formation of thyroid hormone. So it is 300 milligram is enough, and that is thionamide. They are the major drugs for the treatment of thyrotoxicosis and hyperthyroidism. They are potent inhibitor of thyroid peroxidase enzyme, and it is TG. These drugs have no effect. Okay, 6-propyl 2-thiouracil. That is the name of this compound. Then methimazole. This is imidazole thioperoxidase. I have already told you. Methimazole is given as MMI. So it is 1-methyl 2-mercapto imidazole. 1-methyl 2-mercapto imidazole, and it is R is ethyl carboxylate. Okay, 1-methyl imidazole, 2-thiol, 1-methyl imidazole, 2-thiol. This is methimazole and this is carbimazole. Okay, it's an antithyroid substance which retards the formation of thyroid hormone, that is T3. It acts by reducing the formation of tyrosine. T3 is reduced. It is also in the preparation of thyroidectomy. Okay, so with this we come to the end of this antithyroid drugs, and you can refer books for more information.